Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Hi, I am Joanne Vergara. I am 35 years old. I am a married person with 2 kids. I am a college level. I am working here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for almost 2 years. I do household chores like cleaning the houses, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, cooking, and sometimes tutoring the child.
Okay. So, are you cleaning one house or 2 house?
One only.
Only one house. Okay. How big is their house? Is it a
Just
bungalow?
Average only.
Like bungalow or 2-story house?
A bungalow.
Bungalow. Okay. And can you tell me the number of family members that you serve?
There are 4 members of the family, including mom, sir, daughter, and son.
Okay. And can you tell me the age of their children?
The eldest is 23 and the youngest is 19.
Okay. Now you mentioned that you also have 2 kids of your own. How old are they?
The youngest is 15 and my youngest is 12.
Okay, eldest is 15 and
Yes,
youngest
yes.
is 12. Okay. And who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband will take care of my children while I work in Hong Kong.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for the future of my children.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir, I am willing to take care of dogs.
Are you scared to big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you know any children's song that you can sing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please start.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my mouth. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Pluck, 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 and pour me out.
Very good. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will do my best to prove my job well done. And also, I am a hardworking person and someone you can trust on.
Thank you very much, Joanne Vergara, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.